Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Zanegood, Giordino Zanegood, and I only have 9 minutes I can talk, so I'm going to try and get through this quickly and with a good amount of information. First thing is, I'm going to give you the information from the textbook, have you go over your answers. I'm not going to go over everything. I'm going to go over the most key important parts and speak over why they're important, okay? So I've got 9 minutes, or just 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So, here we go. First things first, glad that you're here, so glad that you're working in the class. Everyone that's submitting work, you're doing a great job. I want you to keep submitting work and be on time with it. Also, I want to make sure that you are aware that next week is college night. There are 2 nights available. I'd like you to go to one of them, either Osceola campus or West campus. And if you go and you have an assignment on the assignment page that I'm going to give you. If you don't go, then you'll have an alternative assignment. But it's a great way, if you have time, to learn about the colleges that are out there, the scholarships that are available, the information that you need to make your Valencia career targeted to what career you want to go to. Okay? Because if you want to be a teacher, then you want to make sure that you are following the teacher path. If you want to be a doctor, then you need to find the doctor path. And waiting to the last minute at your degree will make it harder for you to have the prerequisites ready. So go to college night. It's a whole lot of fun, okay? All right, I have 7.5 minutes. I am on page, I'm actually gonna back up a little bit, so have your book handy. I'm gonna back up, back up, back up, back up. I'm gonna start on page 138, 138. 138, ready? Flip, flip, flip. Here we go, 138. Number 1, entertain. 2, persuade. 3, inform. Page 139, number 1, inform. 2, entertain. 3, persuade. 4, inform. 5, persuade. 6, inform. 7, entertain. I'm giving you this information because I have you on my video. I want to make sure that you have all the answers that you need. We're going to go to Olivia. Letter to Olivia. Time's a ticking. Okay, on page 163. 163. Ready? Here we go. Number 1, write the main idea. The main idea of Letter to Olivia is that Will Smith, a single father to Olivia, overcame many obstacles on the road to success. Number 2, what 2 major details support the main idea? Any of the obstacles can be listed. Okay? Anything that he had overcome to help take care of Olivia, to get his education, those are great. The author's purpose is to inform. They're not persuading you to think a different way, and they're not entertaining you. While it might seem like a good light story, they're really informing you of how he worked so hard to get where he is today. Okay. Number 1 on page 164. 164. Number 1, B. 2, B. 3, A. 4, D. 5, D. 6, D. 7, C. 8, C. 9, B. 10, C. 11, true. 12, false. 13, true. 14, false. 15, true. I'm not going to do sequencing. Just so many dates. I'll go to the order of the events. It goes from the top to the bottom. 7, 3, 1, 2, 4, 8, 5, 9, 6. Those are the order in which it took place. Okay, turning to, I'm going to check in your own words on my own, not go over it with you per se. For number 1, it was an easy, in your own words, what roadblocks did Smith encounter on his quest to get an education? The whole story is full of them. You can use any of them. And remember, what I'm looking for in your own words is 4 to 6 well-written sentences. So restate the question. You can say, the roadblocks that Will Smith encountered on his quest to get an education are, give a couple of them, some supporting information from the story, and then close up your 4 to 6 sentences. I'm looking for that well-developed paragraph with good English and proper punctuation and grammar, okay? That's what I grade on. Review test on page 166. Ready? Number 1, D. Number 2, A. Number 3, B. Number 4, D. Number 5, B. Number 6, A. Okay? And then I'll grade your written assignments. I'm not going to go over those on the video. Okay. So the chapter summary and review. Number 1 says, what do you do when you summarize? Well, when you summarize, you answer the who, the what, the where, the when, the why in a concise paragraph. So 4 to 6 sentences is a good summary. You can also write a full page summary depending on how long and how much information you've been provided with. And that answers question number 2 as well. The who, the what, the where, the when, the why. If you answer those in a really good strong paragraph, you're done. You summarized it. Don't plagiarize, summarize. Oh. Okay, number 3, audience. 4, entertain. 5, textbooks. 6, persuasive. 7, details. 8, purpose. Turning the page. Turn the page again. Not going to do exercise 1 or 2. I'll do exercise 3. Octagon, monopoly, monologue, bicuspid, pentagon, biped, not biped, quartet, dual, nonagenarian, and decade. Okay? And then I'm going to do exercise 4, which is hexagonal, unison, lateral, triplane, quadrupeds, duo, octave, decathlon, octane, monoxide, bilateral, and triathlon. Okay. I'm going to give you the answers as well. And you're like, Mrs. Zangood, you're going so fast. But the great thing is you can play the video again and again. And I only have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. So I'm going to do page 182, practice exercise 2. Number 1, classify. 2, group. 3, combine. 4, divide. 5, break down. Now this is one of my favorite stories. It's so funny. Cause and effect. 183. Number 1, the house burned down. Number 2, the barn caught fire. Number 3, ran over the dog. I love that. That actually is to entertain if you want a good entertaining paragraph. Practice exercise 3, 184. Because, therefore, as a result, reaction, bring about. And then on page 186, I don't know how far I'm gonna have to go. 2 minutes. Number 1 on page 186, both. Number 2, on the other hand. 3, just as. Number 4, although. Number 5, however. And we'll do one more. 188, number 5. Practice 5, number 1. Process. 2, stages. 3, first. 4, at this point. 5, second. 6, final. I've got time for one more. Page 190, watching the clock. Page 190, number 1, such as. 2, for example. 3, specifically. 4, in particular. 5, for instance. Okay. Now, with transition words and patterns of organization, it takes a lot of studying. It takes a lot of application, which is why I started these videos now, because I want to give you the information now. I don't want to wait till the end of the week or the week after when I get it all graded. I want to tell you these are the answers, this is what you need to know and how you need to learn it. So if you get it wrong, restudy. Study again, and I'll give you information that you need to be successful in it. So just keep practicing and practicing, okay? All right, I must say goodbye. I've got 8 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. I think you're all doing absolutely fabulous. I'm glad that you're here with me, and I hope that you stay in class and keep working. Remember, raising your hand is typing an email. Raising a hand is sending me an email for Valencia Teacher when you need immediate questions answered, okay? I think you're all doing fabulous. So I wish you all a great day, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.